Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a unique and stylish addition to any home or office, the Aussie Aquariums 3.0 wall-mounted fish tank kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's explore what this product is all about. The Aussie Aquariums 3.0 is a beautifully designed wall-mounted fish tank that not only serves as a stunning focal point in your space but also offers a complete aquatic ecosystem for your fish. Its modern design is perfect for those who are looking to save space without sacrificing style. One of the most impressive features of this aquarium is its newly redesigned construction. The 3.0 version is made from high-quality materials that promise durability and longevity. The included simple mounting brackets make installation a breeze, allowing you to set it up in under an hour. This is a huge plus for anyone who may not be particularly handy. When it comes to maintenance, the Aussie aquariums stand out from traditional aquariums. Thanks to its open-top design, you'll have easy access to feed your fish and keep the tank clean. The maintenance routine is incredibly manageable. Expect to spend as little as 20 minutes every 3 to 6 months on upkeep. This makes it an excellent choice for busy individuals or families who want to enjoy the beauty of an aquarium without the constant upkeep. This kit also comes with a comprehensive accessories set, which is a significant advantage for beginners. It includes all the necessary mounting hardware, a multi-stage submersible filter with biomedia and charcoal filtration, a siphon cleaner, grabber tongs, a fish net, a marine background, a custom-fit lid, and an energy-efficient LED light fixture. With everything included, you'll have everything you need to get started right away. The Aussie Aquariums 3.0 is perfect for a wide range of users. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist looking for a space-saving option or a beginner eager to enter the world of fish keeping, this tank is designed to meet your needs. It also suits various settings, be it a cozy home office, a vibrant living room, or even a commercial space like a restaurant or waiting area. Practical use cases for this aquarium are endless. Imagine decorating your home with a stunning aquatic display that requires minimal maintenance. You could use it to teach children about marine life, create a calming environment in a workspace, or even set it up as a conversation starter at your next gathering. In conclusion, the Aussie Aquariums 3.0 wall-mounted fish tank kit is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their space with a touch of nature. Its modern design, ease of maintenance, and complete accessory set make it a standout option in the aquarium market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.